Alright kitchen gamblers, today we're making something super special for Eid, a dish that is rich, spicy and unbelievably comforting. This is Kabab Masala Handi, and trust me, once you try this recipe, it might become your new Eid tradition. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. The best part, we are making juicy chicken kebabs that cook directly in a flavorful curry, so you get crispy edges and a creamy spicy sauce all in one bite. Let's get started. First grab one chicken breast about 250 to 300 grams. Cut it into chunks and toss it straight into a blender because we want a smooth chicken mince. Along with the chicken, add 1 tablespoon yogurt, then 1 teaspoon chicken powder for that savory depth. Next goes half teaspoon garam masala, add 1 teaspoon spicy red chili flakes for some heat. Then 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and of course a small bunch of fresh cilantro, or as we call it, hara dhania. Finally add salt to taste. Now give everything a quick blend so all the ingredients mix perfectly into the mince. Once done, transfer the mixture into a bowl. Now lightly oil your hands so the mixture doesn't stick. Start shaping the kebabs however you like. Small oval shapes work really well here. They don't need to be perfect. Rustic kebabs actually make this dish look more authentic. Once all the kebabs are shaped, pop them into a fridge for a bit while we prepare the curry. Now let's make that rich handi gravy. Finally chop 1 medium onion and 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Now grab a pan, add about a quarter cup oil and heat it up. Add the chopped onion and cook until it starts changing color. Once it turns slightly golden, add the chopped garlic. Let it cook until the garlic becomes beautifully golden brown. Now toss in a handful of curry leaves. This adds an amazing aroma to the dish. Take 2 to 3 medium tomatoes, peel the skin off and toss them into a blender. Blend until you get a smooth tomato puree. Next, pour in the tomato puree. Stir and cook for about a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon tomato paste to deepen the flavor and color. Now cook this mixture while stirring until the oil starts separating from the sauce. Once you see that oil separation, it's time for the spices. Add 1 teaspoon crushed cumin, then 1 teaspoon coriander powder, or as we call it, dhania powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, add half teaspoon chicken powder, then a pinch or 2 of garam masala, and finally salt to taste. Mix everything well. If the curry becomes too thick, add a little water but not too much. Once the curry looks rich and glossy and the oil separates again, turn the flame to the lowest setting. Now gently add the kebabs into the curry. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, cover the pan and let them cook slowly. After about 6 to 7 minutes, carefully flip the kebabs. Cover again and cook until the kebabs are perfectly tender and you see oil separating once more. Add some fresh green chilies, give everything a quick toss on high flame. Finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon juice. And that's it. Your Eid Special Kabab Handi is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who loves Eid food. Eid Mubarak and see you in the next recipe.